Hi everyone, it's Kyra Solana with the Sound of Light live stream. I've got a pretty precarious setup and a baby who wants to touch things, so we'll see if we get through this. But yeah, here he is. It may be also his nap time, so I'm being real with you. If things go down, I will pause and come back. But this is Elysium. Say hi to everyone. Hi! Watching us on video. Yes! So he'll be running around. Go ahead and start with him here with me. So the Sound of Light live stream is something I'm doing every Thursday at 12 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. And it's basically a time to channel the light. Channel light and sound. They're so intricately connected. But really, if this is your first time tuning in to what light language is, it's a language we all speak, a language of the soul, a language of the heart, a language of the universe, a language of all. Light. Yes. And the more that you open your heart to both receive and transmit light language, the more that you're going to find that it can penetrate into the DNA, cellular level, restructure you, open up your chakras, get everything aligned and working, and so much more. It works very multidimensionally, and so it really is based on an open heart. And the more that you open your heart to light and the language of light, the more that you'll receive it. So remember that. Try not to get so involved in the mind and in trying to figure out what it is or if it's real. Like, this is you. You're as God as it gets. And you get to decide that channeling light language is a spiritual practice that really has efficacy and is a powerful tool of transformation. So thank you for joining me. This week, I've decided that, with the Sound of Light live stream, I'm going to kind of go with the flow as Spirit shows me to do things. And today, we definitely started with a little bit of a challenge. So I don't know about you and how this card's going to speak to you. But this is from the Ascension Angel cards by Melanie Beckler. And Love Your Challenges came forward for me, and it speaks to something I think is going to touch on a place in our heart for each of us. Amel says, I don't know if I'm pronouncing your name, light language is freedom of expression and helps us connect to our inner child. That's absolutely true. Freedom of expression, there's no limits. There's no limits. So, I'm going to look up Love Your Challenges in this book and just read it for all of us to get us started with this Sound of Light live stream. We have Archangel Metatron overseeing this card, and Archangel Michael. You have reached a powerful point of new beginning, which through your thought, your vibrational energy signature, and through your intention, enables you to consciously co-create with divine love to bring a new level of joy, vibrant well-being, health, abundance, and love into your life. Know that love and joy are the most powerful vibrations in the universe, and simply calling these vibrations in, surrounding your energy with love and joy, it will not only uplift you and bring new positive experience into your life, but love and joy will actually protect your energy, your mind, your body, and your spirit from absorbing unwanted, unwarranted negativity, doubt, fear, and lower dense vibrations from others and from your world. The amazing thing about joy and love is there's no limit to the power. So there's no limit to joy and love. And so now, as dense energy is released, this orb of joy and love around you becomes strengthened even more. We flow more and more joy, love, light, and high vibrations from the angelic realm your way to cleanse and lift you. Imagine that as you breathe in, joy, love, and light fill your body. And as you breathe out, the same joy, love, and light fills your aura. Nurture love and joy will nurture you. These forces of the universe will propel you forward to accomplish your purpose. Joy and love are a guide. Pay attention to what brings you joy and keep moving in this direction. And then it goes on with some more specific instructions, but I think that's really great. Joy and love will nurture you as you nurture them. So I'm going to, again, I feel called to call in the 4 directions. I have some Native American heritage, and they have so much to offer us in connection with our star family and our spirits and the language of light. I'm just going to gather my sage here. Really make this a sacred container. This is the Sound of Light live stream with Kairos Alana. No horiarika rosarim, asarim mohar, asarim mohar, asarim mohar. Sokariam Mariam Rosu. We call on the four directions and all the elements to be here with us now. Sokaria hasu narimaso, narimaso, narimaso. Kahanavo, kahanavo, kahau. I spread that cleansing to you in your space wherever you are. We're just going to start with a light language transmission where I'm singing, speaking, and channeling light for us now. So I receive with an open heart, I transmit with an open heart, and I ask that you do the same. Go ahead and find a space that's going to be comfortable for you, and we'll see how far we get through with this. And just believe that there is free grace right now coming through this light language transmission, giving us everything we need in this now moment to heal. I set the intention that the perfect transmission of light, love, of the very best for all beings, aligned, be coming through now. Anything that would negate it or get in the way is void now, and we are so grateful to be living in these times, to be receiving free light, free healing, free joy, free grace, unearned. And just totally our divine birthright. We are children growing, and we give ourselves all grace. Alright, so taking a deep breath with me now. And then a couple more deep breaths at your own pace, really relaxing into your center, focusing on your heart opening with each breath. Go. Tarakadim, marakadim, hanno, hanno, anyesadiu, mihana. Yakarasun niham Hasi Hatsia Hara Mino orosuru queria dracita ata sukurushia Nimira sutro utsudo utro unto omboa aye Sandia sok oria reciprocotro sundia Onkia onk uns unumron Nahira korosuri brocotra sincha Chakarayansara brocotra ititia Ka sun tu tia da sura brocotra reciprocotra unsuru brocotra onsu anu yanka nono sabere cotra sempre ansuro diera ar ek av uns ish Nara sabrocotra su ish na ambo Biana otsuri mbrekata nya Nya. Surya rai trokotrosuntu uchia. Nahichuk uchia. Sa. Doria per otsun. Din. Nianana. Pirasurko. Be gentle with your heart, dear one. For the waves of comparison have tried to break against your shore. For the waves of expectation have tried to break down the perfect alignment that you already are. Sanyam, come back to the uncarved block. Sanyam, love who you are in your unrefined, undefined innocence. Ure berkotrasund kot und uri drasr berkotrasund uchia mahra ich ungu manje berkotrasund ushura ja akas und abrin darskuru berkas und ur. You are arasind, I am berkotrasund ut sovereign self nyamua. We receive these codes. Ooh, my head, yes, ninya miruha mayagam, nihoziya. Sinanoria fanim, ya fanim yo, ya fanim yo, ya ya Nama. Anamane ahsai ahsai Okorosu ut ungu chia traxa kurkoi pero okorosu ich ada piana okorosu ud dinarko mehana casa dundiara surkuru brekade unk ad ubts unk ua. They say do not hide your light under a bushel. Do not hide it under a basket. I say do not hide your darkness in a closet. Do not hide your darkness under a basket or behind a rock or behind walls, behind lies, behind omissions. Do not hide your darkness, child. For just as a little one would try to hide what they have done wrong, would try to lie it away, the consequences of what have been done and what is in function as a program, that is continuing whether or not you acknowledge it. So acknowledge who you are in every aspect and what has come in to try to be part of who you are that maybe doesn't need to be there. You are the sovereign scripter of your life story. Look at all the words that have been tossed upon the page and put them in the order that you wish them to be, for everything has its part. Every part. The whole. Minana akur ursri berkotor sunt ish are berkotor ursuru urberkotor ira. Bansrokoro. Bayira kodo sunt ich ara berkotor itik and mbua and sida. Nahro sudi berkadashi. Nahri berko sunt o manyana asun. Anyana asun ay berkotor sunt ush ira. Nari kara bersudu ush ara. Broka. Ist an ur ava. Yam. Ay! Woo! Santi berkoda se berkoda isne buru utsunt in. Nara usut in. Maya wotsu. Maya de in da asura. Ayu we ya. I'm just feeling right now, if you want to join me, dance it out, shake it out, really allow your body to shake out all those things which have been hiding, which maybe you don't even know you've been lying to yourself about, and embrace them full on. Yeah. What have we been reminded to do? Love our challenges. Love them. Let them be fuel. Let them be the fuel for the fire that you are. Let the kundalini rise in every part. Let the energy flow in every way. We are all born with limitations and challenges for a reason. We are all born with shadows to transmute for a reason, to collectively come into the place that we want to be, which is the wholeness of who we are, the awareness of who we are in full truth and light. So thank you. Thank you for integrating. Thank you for all the messages of encouragement. It is absolutely our time to be with what is in fullness. What? Give me one moment and I may have to come back. Hey, cutie. What's up? Where you going? Are you tired? Yeah. Okay. Let's say bye-bye. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll probably be back later. Not sure. But it's perfect. Huh? Say bye-bye. Yes. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Baby. Peace and love. Namaste.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I see you. I love you. I am you. Namaste.
Bye-bye.